To make TurboTax cheaper, start by understanding the different pricing tiers and services offered by the company. TurboTax offers a range of products, including the Free Edition, Deluxe, Premier, and Self-Employed. Each tier provides different levels of service and support, with corresponding price points. The first step to reducing the cost of TurboTax is to determine which tier of service you need. If you have a simple tax return with only a few deductions, the Free Edition may be sufficient. However, if you have more complex tax needs, such as investments or self-employment income, you may need to upgrade to a higher tier. One way to make TurboTax cheaper is to take advantage of any available discounts or promotions. Check the TurboTax website for special offers, such as discounts for students, military personnel, or first-time users. You can also look for coupon codes or promo codes online that can be applied to your purchase. Another way to reduce the cost of TurboTax is to file your taxes early. TurboTax often offers discounts for early filers, so it pays to get a head start on your tax return. Additionally, filing early can help you avoid last-minute rush and potential delays in processing your return. You can also consider using the desktop version of TurboTax instead of the online version. The desktop version is often cheaper and provides the same level of service and support as the online version. However, keep in mind that you will need to install the software on your computer and ensure that it is compatible with your operating system. If you are a student or low-income individual, you may be eligible for free or discounted tax filing services through the IRS Free File Program. This program provides free tax filing services to eligible individuals, and TurboTax is one of the participating providers. Finally, consider using a competitor to TurboTax, such as H&R Block or TaxAct. These services often offer similar levels of service and support at a lower cost. You can compare prices and services to determine which option is best for you. By following these steps and considering your options, you can make TurboTax cheaper and save money on your tax filing costs. Remember to always review and compare prices before making a purchase, and take advantage of any available discounts or promotions to get the best deal.